once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Well, this morning we are leaving the side of the road. We were at Daily Waters yesterday, but from where we left off in the last video, we were about to go see Whippy at Mataranka.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are we going tonight?
Good.
So Spirit's good to see a few people here and ready for the whip cracking show. We can do better than that. Are we ready to see blood? You're sickos, I tell you, mate. Right, there will be blood if you move. So do not move. All right, here we go.
Well, this morning we left Mataranka. We've just got to Daily Waters. We're just coming to the pub for lunch, and then we're just going to do a gravel pit tonight. But the Daily Waters has got some pretty cool stuff in it. We've got planes, or cars. There's helicopters laying around.
And emus. And a cactus.
Hey, donkeys. Pet the donkey, bud. Pet the donkey.
Oh, wet.
Is he wet? Yeah. Maybe he was under the sprinkler.
Mm. Look what's on the roof of the chicken coop.
Look!
There's a KFC bucket on the roof of the chicken coop.
How is driving?
It's nothing spectacular. The old free gravel pit. So we got dinner on the go. Have a go at the state of you. And what are you eating? Eating frozen peas and corn. And then last night at Whippy, we got a fluoro pink whip.
Can you just stop?
I can crack it so good, Megs doesn't like it because it's too loud. And then the next day we come down to Daily Waters, had a look around the pub there, had lunch, and then just come to the side of the road. Some gravel pit just outside Daily Waters. And today we're making our way to Tennant Creek because we're on our way down through the centre to Uluru. So these next couple of days would be some big days of driving, just trying to get to Uluru. And whether or not we do the McDonald Ranges on the way up or the way back, you'll have to find out. We've driven about 2 hours south. We're sort of in between Daily Waters and Tennant Creek. And I don't know if you could tell from those clips, but it's raining. So it rained pretty much all last night. It's sprinkling pretty much all today. So this is the first rain we've seen since 14 Mile, about 3.5 months ago. So it's a nice little change to see. And then it's only 20 degrees instead of being about 40 3 days ago. Well, we finally made it to Spinifex Ridge, this place is called. $20 a night. A little bit of a view. But that last clip you would have just seen is the turn off that we need to take to come back out to the east coast. So from here down, we've all got to backtrack all this to make it back out to the east coast after Uluru. But we're just going to chill out here for the rest of the day. We've got a roast to cook. So yeah.
The next day.
Today we've made it to Alice Springs and we're just at the Discovery. Kids are just cruising around. But it's a shame that Alice is such a bad name. Like, the town's beautiful with all the rock formations and the cliffs through it, and yeah, it's a really cool town. It's just a shame that some of the locals ruin it for everyone else. But yeah, doing the shopping, cars with smashed windows, and yeah, it's just, it must get wild here. First World War, Second War, the Korean War, the Malayan Emergency, the Vietnam War, the Indonesian, Iraq, Afghanistan, with no end date.
It's pretty sad, isn't it?
Second Gulf War.
You went up here with a bike, you would never make it.
Like to see you get up here or
swimming pool.
Did you just do that by yourself?
It's not that big, is it?
To get rid of all the. Yeah, they're making the fire, see? Doesn't burn long, does it?
Well, we left Alice this morning. Alice wasn't that bad. I was expecting the worst. But yeah, there was nothing wrong with it really. I didn't go out on the Friday or Saturday night though, so I can't comment on that. But we've just made the emu. We just made the 2 and a bit hour drive south to a place that starts with E. I can't pronounce, but it's the turn off of the Stewart Highway to head out to Ayers Rock. And what is it?
It's camel. They said there were like 12.
We're going to check out the camels, the emus. Bears.
But no,
That's pooing. What's going on, bud?
it's
Hello, camel. Hello.
I'm scared.
Ow.
What did he just do?
Jammed my head in between the railing.
Ow!
I don't think he's meant to eat that, mate. Paddy Miller. Put your hand out like he's got some food. Ooh, he's got big lips.
No!
He's got big lips.
And teeth.
And teeth. Big scary lizard. Look at his yellow tail.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Why?
Go and try then.
What?
Try. Well, the kids have just said goodbye to the camel and we're off to Uluru today, fingers crossed. So we almost missed this, but this is the closest point to the centre of Australia. So if you were going to measure it from like make a balance, that would be the center point. That point there is the furthest point from the sea. We're here, and there's 3 other points which could technically be the center. So out of all the possible centers, this is the closest to the middle. Go on, go stand in the center of Australia.
Where's the center?
In the middle of that.
In there.
Yeah. So that point right there is the middle of Australia. You're technically in one of the 6 points that could possibly be the middle of Australia. Well, we've come to Uluru to watch the sunset, but there's no sun. So we'll see how this time lapse looks. location, I'll give it a 8. Sunset, 0. We weren't expecting much anyway, but it's still very busy for the lack of sunset. So we might get one more shot at it tomorrow, but there's 20 to 40 mil of rain expected tomorrow.
Yay!
And we're going to do the bike riding in the morning, so that's not yay. 20 to 40 mil of rain is no good.
We're gonna have money tunnels.
So let's see what tomorrow brings. Well, as we expected, it's wet, so we won't be going on the bikes. The weather forecast is for flogging down rain at lunchtime, so we might try and go and see water flowing off the rock. So this ridge, that one that does that, is the bit you used to be able to walk up. Yesterday you could see the tracks, and you can see it now, but you probably can't. Well, there wasn't too much rain, so we've come back for school work. And then the rain's meant to pick up at about 4 o'clock, so we'll head back out.
It's a bunny rabbit. See?
There's a little baby bunny rabbit under that tree.
It's so cute.
Should we eat it? Oh, this was the desert. It's flowing. Probably hard to say, but yeah, there's water coming off it. Probably can't see it. We're going to go to a walk now where we should see a lot, but you can see where it all fills up. And then, yeah, look, that's cool. And what else is cool is
That was clean.
you can't even see the top of it. It's in the clouds at the moment. Oh wait, what's this?
Yahoo!
As much we would have loved, you know, the cool sunsets, it's pretty special to see it flogging down rain in the desert and waterfalls coming off Uluru. Like, look at that. Just running down it. It's pretty special. On a side note, bit of a pro travelling tip. Everyone's walking around here in shoes and socks. Just put your Crocs on Look at this. And you don't have to worry. Keep on showing it, but man, look at that. All up the top. And you can't even see the top of it because it's in the clouds. So we're just hanging out here for a sec because there's a thunderstorm coming over at the moment.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my...
Well, we've made it to Carter, or the Olgas. And there's two walks you can do. There is Valley of the Winds and the one we're doing.
What did you just call it?
Isn't it Valley of the Wind?
Oh. I don't know what you just said.
Meg's hiding from the camera. And this is a shorter one, it's only 2.6k. So see what it's like. And the big fella's going to walk all by himself. Pretty sure he understood when I said that he's walking the whole way. We're off to a bad start.
So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
So Uluru is one solid rock, whereas this, see how it's full of little rocks? That's what all that's made out of. It's all tiny little rocks stuck together.
Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback.
All just little tiny rocks stuck together.
I don't see your face at any place that I go, I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing.
So we made it the whole way. Will we get back?
You ready to go, mate?
For the snail.
Slow down, bud, slow down, slow down. Well, we had a stack on the way back, but you're finishing walking, aren't you? So we've come back for take 2 of the sunset. That way. Oh, doesn't look too bad. Out there, massive storm. So we'll see how we go.
They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
I'll turn you around so you get the time lapse of the storm going past the rock.
It's your chance to be ruthless.
obviously there's going to be no sunset. The storm's gone to just rain now. But still, good spot for dinner. But yeah, sunsets at Uluru suck. So we're coming back this way to where you used to be able to walk it. We're going to get out and touch it. But have a go at this. It's bloody waterfall again already, and getting more and more by the second because it's flogging down.
How it's supposed to feel.